Hindi siguro.
Today's your retirement day. It's alright to feel like you do. Come on and clap those hands and celebrate. 'Cause today is all about you. It's all about you. You, 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 you. Go travel the world, have big fun. Lay on the beach, soak up the sun. Play.
Ayun.
Magkano magiging pension mo? Ay, Kuya Danny, huwag kang magpapagutom. Ha? Tapos pa-deliver mo yung pandesal mo sa madaling araw.
Inasal sa akin.
Oo, mamimiss ko talaga ikaw. At saka yung pandesal. Thank you.
Happy retirement day, Kuya Danny, and happy birthday po. God bless.
Siyempre naman.
Kuya Danny, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Danny.
Happy birthday, Kuya Danny.
Happy birthday, pre.
Mamaya na yung kay Bebot kasi pang dulo yun eh. Ayan. Bigyan niya ni.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Danny. Enjoy your retirement.
Happy birthday and happy retirement po, Kuya Danny. Enjoy your life.
Hi Kuya Danny, happy birthday and happy retirement day po. I hope you enjoy this another phase in your life. Mamipins ko po yung papandesal niyo every morning. Thank you for everything. Alam mo na po yun. Thank you for spoiling din po kaming dalawang mag-asawa. Again, happy birthday and God bless.
Hi Kuya Danny! Congratulations! Finally, retired ka na. And I hope you enjoy every day. Wow! See you around.
Hello, Kuya Danny. Naku, mamimiss ko ang paggawa ng DTR. Pero good luck and enjoy your retirement. Bye!
Kuya Danny, happy birthday! Enjoy your retirement.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Ayun na.
Ingat ka dyan sa Baguio. Pakalamigin ka.
Kuya Danny, happy retirement. Enjoy mo lang ang iyong phase in life. Mahaba-habang bakasyon. So, i-miss namin yung iyong pandesal.
Good morning, pare! Yay! Yay!
Hey Kuya Danny, I just want to wish you well on your retirement. Thank you for all the advice that you have given me. Sobrang grateful ako for that. And I always look up to you as kuya. Siyempre, magkailong and magka-birthday. So, hopefully, you'll enjoy your retirement with your family and with mamang. Hopefully, she'll get well soon para mas lalo kang happy and enjoy mo lalo yung retirement mo with her. I wish you well in everything, especially sa health, because alam ko naman laging masakit ang tuhod natin. So, always be prepared, lalo na pag maglalakwat siya kayo with the family. So, I wish you luck in your retirement and hope everything will get well. Okay. Thank you very much, Kuya Danny, for your years of service in Tala. And hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Ay, mabait kong pare yan eh.
Mabait ang kumpare. Ano pa?
Mabaya pag ano doon kay Daddy.
Hindi, mas maganda ngayon dito. Sasama ko sa may video eh.
Okay, maghihiwalay na kami si Daddy ngayon dahil pag-retiro na siya. Pero love namin yan. Love na love si Danilo. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Hello, Danny! Happy retirement and belated happy birthday. So, enjoy your retirement. And yun nga, mapabawasan na ang pagpipirma ko ng LOA sa body pay. See you around!
Paring Danny, mamimiss ko talaga ng sobra yung ating bandingan. At saka simula nung bago pa lang ako dito sa Dr. C.N. Rodriguez Memorial Hospital, ikaw ang parang tatay, kuya na nagbibigay sa akin ng ng payo. Yun ang mamimiss kong sobra. Kaya wish ko sa iyo good health and tama na Lip, naiiyak na
Hindi
kayo.
tayo ba kuya?
Gusto mo na Lip, okay na.
Good health tsaka ano pa?
And basta alagaan mo lang yung sarili. Mahaba pa natin buhay. Abot tayo ng 100 years. Maraming salamat sa pag-agapay ko sa aking paritani.
Ikaw na kami dito.
Go.
Hi! Happy retirement! Yung ba? Happy retirement!
Happy retirement kay Danny! Enjoy!
Ayun pa lang, mayroon pa regalo.